In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a VHS effect in CapCut. Whether you're looking to add a nostalgic retro vibe to your video or simply want to experiment with vintage aesthetics, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. The VHS effect is a fantastic way to recreate the grainy, distorted look of old-school tapes, and with CapCut, it's surprisingly easy to achieve. If you're new to CapCut, it's a free and powerful video editing app that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. And if you don't already have it, you can download it from your device's app store and start editing right away. Now let's dive in and get started. First, we need to import your video into CapCut so we can begin editing. Open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're in, tap on the New Project button. This will allow you to create a fresh workspace for your video. Next, browse through your device and select the video clip you'd like to edit. Once you've chosen the clip, it will be imported into your project. Keep in mind that it might take a moment for the video to fully load, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. This step prepares your footage and gets it ready for editing. Now that your video is imported, let's move on to applying the VHS effect. Look for the Effects tab, which should be located either at the bottom or along the side of your screen depending on your device layout. Tap on it to open the Effects menu. From here, select Video Effects to access the available options. To make finding the right effect easier, use the search bar and type in keywords like VHS, retro, or glitch. Alternatively, you can scroll through the TV category, where you'll find effects specifically designed to mimic old-school TV and tape distortion. Once you've located an effect you like, such as VHS noise or retro cam, tap on it to preview how it looks on your video. When you're happy with your choice, click the plus icon to add the effect to your timeline, and don't forget you can always swap it out later if you change your mind. With the VHS effect added, let's customize it to suit your video. On the timeline, you'll see the effect layer sitting above your video clip. To adjust how long the effect is applied, simply drag the edges of the effect layer. You can extend it to cover the entire video or shorten it to highlight specific sections, like an intro or a transition. This flexibility allows you to control where and how the effect is used. Once you've set the duration, tap on the effect layer to open the customization panel. Here you'll find sliders and settings that let you fine-tune the effect's intensity, speed, and other parameters. For example, you can increase the graininess for a more aged look, or add subtle distortion for a realistic VHS vibe. Take your time to experiment and find the perfect balance for your video. The great thing about CapCut is that you can preview your adjustments in real time, so don't hesitate to test different settings. Next up, let's add an extra layer of creativity by incorporating additional effects. Head back to the Effects menu and navigate to the Glitch category. This section is packed with retro-style effects that can complement the VHS look. Choose a glitch effect that catches your eye, then click the plus icon to add it to your timeline. Just like before, adjust the duration of the glitch effect by dragging its edges on the timeline. These effects work especially well for creating impactful moments, such as scene transitions or sudden distortions. Remember, a little goes a long way. Using glitch effects sparingly can make them more striking, and prevent your video from feeling overly cluttered. Now that you've added and customized your effects, it's time for the final adjustments. Feel free to mix and match multiple effects to create a unique look that fits your vision. Layering effects can add depth and creativity to your video, allowing you to develop a style that stands out. As you work, preview your edits frequently to see how everything is coming together. This is your chance to fine-tune any details and make sure the effects flow seamlessly with your video's content. Adjust as needed until you're satisfied with the final result. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've transformed your video with a vintage VHS effect using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.